Confused about which product to use to protect and enhance your decking? Let me help. In this video, I'll explain the different types of products available, how important UV protection is, the pros and cons of solvent and water-based ingredients, optimum weather conditions to work in, where you can use your chosen decking product elsewhere in the garden, and how to prep both new and old decking. As a general rule, you have three choices: decking oil, stain, and paint. Decking oil is a transparent or semi-transparent product that provides protection against moisture, UV rays, and basically makes the wood last longer. It is easy to apply and allows the natural grain of the wood to show through. Colored oils are normally more natural looking and use woody terms for the description, like natural oak, teak, and golden pine. And although there are natural and clear oils, no decking oil is truly clear. They all give wood a look as if it was a bit wet, i.e., it just darkens the color. Decking stains are a pigmented product that change the color of the wood. They expand on color ranges like grays, reds, and greens. Most decking stains will allow the natural grain to show through. However, be aware some stains can come across opaque and may seem more like a paint. And on that subject, decking paint is a fully opaque product that provides complete coverage and protection, but does not allow the natural grain of the wood to show through. It's thicker and is ideal for heavily weathered or damaged wood that requires a complete overhaul. Think of it this way: the product you apply to the wood is like a pair of sunglasses. The more color in the lens, the more UV protection. So the more color tint in the product, the better the protection. You don't get any UV protection from most reading glasses, so you don't tend to get much from clear options of wood treatment, although there is some. Most of the coatings mentioned come as both solvent and water-based, so which should you use? Traditionally, coatings have been solvent-based and were used extensively back in the day. The oil sits in the grain and uses natural chemistry. Oil and wax repel water, but when these ingredients are gone and dried out, there's no more protection. They look more natural because, well, they are, and they contain less man-made ingredients for a natural, rich look. This is why these tend to require a bit more maintenance. Water-based products are the more modern and technologically advanced equivalents. They work by not only penetrating the timber, but by building a film on the surface, which prevents water soaking in. Their VOCs are lower, they'll require less maintenance, and are a lot less hassle to clean up. They tend to dry quicker and are recommended for decking near aquatic life. As we know, it's always a joy trying to plan outside jobs here in the UK. All decking products will need a good couple of dry days before and after application to properly do their job. That said, there is a decking stain on the market that can be applied to wet wood, perfect for the British summer. It's worth mentioning that your chosen decking finish can be used for a wide variety of garden projects and is often a great way to colour match. Going the other way too, if you've used a wood preserver on your fence, for example, you could also use it on the decking, followed by a clear coat of decking oil for durability. Remember, some products are only good for vertical surfaces. If used on horizontal surfaces like decking, they can bleach and degrade a lot quicker due to not being designed to deal with surface water. Do get in contact with us if you need to double-check compatibility and suitability of a product. New decking boards will come pressure treated, where the wood is impregnated with a preservative agent, so after a brief period of weathering to allow the wood to dry and to become more absorbent, normally 6 weeks, just a top coat of decking oil, stain or paint can be applied. Don't forget to treat any end grain where boards have been cut. This creates a back door for moisture and nasty stuff to get in. As well as cleaning your decking to get rid of dirt, moss and leaves, it's advisable to use a decking cleaner to really make sure the surface is properly prepped for its new coat. Old decking should be treated with a preserver first to ensure longevity before treatment of decking oil, stain or paint. Wood Finishes Direct have a huge range of decking treatments to suit all budgets. Keep exploring our decking project page for more information, and you can always call our wood care experts on 01303 477 555.